How to share a Facebook page link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can share your Facebook page link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to share your Facebook page link, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then open the Facebook app. Now whether it is your own page or whether it is other people's page, it doesn't really matter. You just need to go to a certain page over here. Now it could be your own page also, it could be someone else's page, as I said. Once you're here on the page of the profile that you want to share the link of, you want to make sure to tap the three dots option, as you can find here. As you tap the three dots option, here you'll find the pages link. Now you can simply copy the link. If you want, you can simply share them to your friends by simply pasting them in WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or wherever else you prefer. And this way you should be able to share your Facebook page link. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.